What if the answers we chase are already moving around us, in silence, in the pride of a lion, in the strength of a gorilla, in the speed of a cheetah, in the grace of a whale cutting through deep blue, in the quiet courage of animals that survive the coldest lands, even in the stillness of space, always expanding, always becoming. This isn't just survival, it's leadership, it's rhythm, it's insight. I'm MarcosBella, and this is Insights from Nature. Because nature doesn't shout, it whispers, but if you listen, it changes everything.